Hi folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to do a virtual walk around for you on a 2003 Kia Sportage. It's the LX model. It's got 103,000 miles on it. Very clean. Best part about it, it's part of our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. Really clean. Everything works. Radio works. Really super clean car, folks. We can finance this for you with a low down payment. And we're here 7 days a week for your shopping convenience. So come on down. As for Tom, John, Joe, Jesus, any one of us will be happy to set you up on a test drive. So there you go. It's a nice, clean Sportage.